Hey guys, welcome back to Tosh Kicks. Today I'm at the Trafford Centre with Owen. We're going to have a look at what we can find. Massive, massive shopping centre. So they should have some shops with sneakers in. See if we can pick anything sensible up here. I do want to see some kicks. I want to see maybe some exclusive stuff we haven't got down south maybe. Don't know. But yeah, looking forward to it. See how many shops we can get into. See if we can get any deals, any really one-off trainers that will make me reach for the credit card or something. We shall see. Well, yeah, stay tuned. Let me know what you think of the Trafford Centre from the angles I want to show you. Put a comment in the put a comment down below and let me know if there's any shopping centre near you I need to visit as well. But yeah, I'll see you soon. That's madness. Have you got shoes in?
Shoes. The footwear store's not here, it's just down there. You can take it right.
Talk about it.
You might have walked.
Do you know where the Origins footwear shop is up?
No.
I don't know where. It's alright. Okay, no. Okay, beautiful colour. This is 740. This is the budget rate for New Balance, right? The 740s to compete with the Nike V2 runners. That's what this is for. I'll tell you what, yeah. I like the V2 runner, but this looks a lot prettier than on pictures, you know. Especially this colour, beautiful. Yeah, I might have to see if I can get a deal on this. Actually, this is quite cool. You haven't got the pure white ones, pure white 740s. Yeah, boy. £100 guys, £100 for a New Balance that will give you comfort. Your feet will thank you, I promise you that. The black and white, oh sorry, silver, black and white, that's beautiful. I like this. Again, that's a 740. Really cool. I mean, look at the amount of foam they're putting in this, boy. 140 as well. This looks like it'll be insanely comfortable. They've got the ridge, which should make it quite good to walk when you go for your long walks. Fresh foam, 140. If you need a bit of height, this can help you out. I mean, look at that. Look at the amount of foam in this, guys. Look at this. Your feet will thank you. Trust me. The new Air Maxes were. Apparently it's got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 air vents. I mean, I don't know, man. I think I like the Air Max Classics. I don't know about this one. It looks alright, but I won't pay money for this. No way. Oh, they got the Fear Forward. That's what I came for. They got the way it is. This is crazy, man. This shoe doesn't release for 3 months. This shoe releases in 3 months' time. JD got this already. That's madness. I'm gonna have to just get this GS pair out here, see what they got. I think we're gonna cop this one. I think this is a cup for me, boy. That's madness. This is clean, man. It's white. A6, only a JD exclusive. Yeah, it's decent, man. I like that. This is too daddy shoe for me, man. I'm a daddy, but this is too granddaddy then. That's not for me, boy. Ooh, I like this colorway, boy. That bangs. It's got the Tiffany hits there, Tiffany colorway there. This is a beautiful shoe, man. I like this. This is super cute though. The 95s. Air Max 95 for kids. That's cute. If you're having a baby, man. A baby from Liverpool or Manchester. The Jordan 1 black toe, man. I can't believe this shoe is sitting. These shoes should be sold out. But this is Jordan 1s. Nobody loves Jordan 1s anymore, man. Great shoe. See guys, see what I'm telling you now? Yeah? See? The black toe and a t-shirt. You guys have slept on this shoe, you know. Look at that. This is the iconic picture of Jordan wearing these shoes. Obviously not this particular one, but look at that. You guys are falling asleep on it. Iconic shoes. The Union 4s is still missing from my collection, bro. Soon, I'm gonna add that soon. So I got this, I got that. I don't have this too. I want to add it. I like that. Oh my god, the brick 450 is not bad. It's not bad. So I already have this as well. I picked this up the other day. Full review on the site. If you haven't seen it, search it. I'll review this. This is a good shoe, man. Really good shoe. The 2025 Jordan 4 SB Navy. Obviously that's the OG. You got that. Yeah, so that was my first time at Trafford Centre. It looks alright, to be fair, massive. The shops are cool. We went into JD Sports. I went to the first JD Sport ever that don't sell shoes. That's crazy. I went to the JD shop that sells shoes. The guys were mad cool actually. Really, really cool. Went into Foot Locker. Again, it's like another clone of JD Sport. They don't really have anything special. Went into Origin Kicks. Yeah, Origin, they had heaters, man. I tell you what, they have a lot of really, really good shoes. Fire shoes from LV Air Forces to the MCMs, Air Forces, to the CPFM Dunks, you know, the all Swarovski pair. But the prices are crazy. Like, you know, I'm not trying to slag them off or anything, but the Armani 3s, for example, that I like to complete the sales, $850 there. Came out of the shop, check StockX, last sale, $259, sorry. So, I mean, I guess if you want the shoe right there and then it could work. If you want some fire shoes, it could work. But I think my advice to you sneakerheads there who like shoes is always do your research. Check StockX, check GOAT. Don't just pay the first price you see, because, like I said, I was tempted to buy the shoe. It was $850, and I could see it for $250 on StockX. There was another shoe that I like, which is the Powerpuff Girl Green. I was actually offered that Crep City for $229. Here they wanted £450 for it. So, but apart from that, if you like, just look at kicks and get a feel for it. I mean, the added Kanye 2s there. So that's really, really good shoes. But yeah, it's a bit pricey. JD Sports, again, if you want mutations and all that kind of crazy stuff, you go in there. My overall experience of Trafford Centre is great. It reminds me of Blue Water down in London, right? It's really cool. Everybody's really cool. Everybody's mad safe. I was recording and there was no question, so you got to respect that. But yeah, long day of shopping. Can't wait to get back and get some rest. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one for sure. Take care.